In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to go live on Instagram. To do that, first you need to at least 1000 followers, otherwise you can't go live on Instagram. If you have that, tap on the settings icon and scroll down until you see account type and tools. Tap on that. Now switch to professional account. Click on that. Click next and select the category you want and click switch to professional account. Now click creator or business. Next, and this one just click not now. Now if you go back to your profile and click on add button, you will be able to see the live button on here. And that's how you go live on Instagram. If this video helped you, subscribe this channel and see you next time with another video.